Powerful gaming laptops can be very expensive, with several models going for 100,000 pesos or even more. Nowadays, however, tech companies offer more budget-friendly options, and today we'll be exactly looking at those models. So join us as we check out some gaming laptops you can buy for under 50,000 pesos, and mind you that these are in no particular order. I'm VJ from GIGABYTE, and let's get right into it. First up on the list comes from ASUS with the TUF Gaming F15. It's one of the more affordable models on the list, retailing for just 43,080 pesos at the time of this video via the official ASUS Philippines Shopee store. Despite the price, it's packing some great hardware. The laptop is powered by an 11th Gen Intel Core i5 processor and comes with 8GB of RAM. There's also a 512GB SSD for storage paired with an NVIDIA RTX 3050 graphics card. This should be enough to play the latest games and even some graphic-intensive titles without too much of an issue. You also have a nice 15.6-inch IPS screen with a 144Hz refresh rate for improved gaming pleasure. Should you need it for work, there are several ports too, including 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, 1 Thunderbolt 4 port, and even a LAN port. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed too, as well as a 1-month trial of Microsoft 365. Next up is the ACER NITRO 5, and it's one of the more expensive laptops on the list. With the current discounted pricing, it retails for 48,990 pesos. In terms of specs, it's nearly the same as the ASUS, featuring an 11th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM, 512GB of storage, and even the NVIDIA RTX 3050 GPU. It's nearly identical too in terms of display, with a 15.6-inch IPS LCD display and a 144Hz refresh rate. This model also supports G-Sync, which should improve gaming experience by preventing screen tearing. However, the biggest difference would be in the RAM. The ACER NITRO 5 comes with 2 memory slots. Furthermore, ACER says the maximum memory per slot is a 32GB 3200Hz unit. So effectively, you can run a total of 64GB of RAM on the NITRO 5 for faster processing speed and no slowing down. For those that need to get some work done, it has a built-in webcam and is pre-installed with Windows 10 Home. It also includes ports to choose from. The GIGABYTE brand has long been a staple in the gaming industry, so it's no surprise that they offer a wide range of gaming laptops catering to everyone's budget. With an SRP of 48,995 pesos in online stores, the G5 GD is a real bang for the buck model. In terms of specs, it's closely matched with other laptops on this list. It's powered by an 11th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, 512GB of SSD storage, and paired with an NVIDIA RTX 3050 GPU. There's also a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate. What makes it stand out is the RAM and storage space. From the get-go, the G5 GD comes with 2 8GB RAM slots for a total of 16GB. This is also upgradable too, so you can swap them out for more RAM if needed. The G5 GD has 2 M.2 slots and 1 swappable 2.5-inch bay. The 3 slots offer a maximum of 6TB of storage for all your games, data, and more. There are also a lot of ports too if you need to expand storage or whatnot. Another staple brand in the gaming circles is MSI. And today we're checking out the GF63 Tin, which currently retails for 44,995 pesos via the official MSI online store. It's powered by an 11th Gen Intel Core i5 processor with 8GB of RAM and comes with 512GB of M.2 SSD storage. The GF63 Tin does come with an additional memory slot, meaning you can easily bump up the RAM to 16GB. It's the same with storage, as the laptop comes with an additional 2.5 storage slot. Unlike the other laptops on this list, however, the MSI does run on an older GPU, specifically the NVIDIA GTX 1650. Still, it should be able to run most of the common games without any issue. It also has a 15.6-inch IPS display, but is only limited to a 60Hz refresh rate. What makes the GF63 Tin stand out though can be found in its name. MSI says the laptop is only 21.7mm thin and only weighs 1.86 kilograms, making it very lightweight and portable for a gaming laptop. There are also multiple ports to choose from should you need it for work. HP might not be the first brand you think of when it comes to gaming laptops, but they do offer a bunch of models for gamers. Today we're looking at the Pavilion Gaming 15, and it retails for just 46,990 pesos at the time of this video. Unlike the other laptops, the HP runs on an AMD processor instead of an Intel one. Specifically, it uses the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 processor with 8GB of RAM, 512GB of M.2 SSD storage, and an NVIDIA RTX 3050 GPU. It also comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate. The RAM is upgradable too, as the Pavilion Gaming 15 comes with 2 memory slots. Aside from gaming, it's great for work too, since it comes with an integrated webcam with multiple ports and even an SD card slot. It sounds great too, with audio by Bang & Olufsen. Machenike is a relatively new name in the gaming laptop market, but their products are very affordable given everything that's included. Take the 2022 L15, which we will be looking at today. It retails for just 49,990 pesos on the online store, and it already comes with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of M.2 SSD storage, both of which are expandable. But what's really impressive is the processor. It uses the newer 12th generation Intel Core i5 chipset together with an NVIDIA RTX 3050 GPU. Not to mention, it also uses a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 144Hz refresh rate. As such, this is possibly the most powerful laptop on this list. In addition, Machenike says the 2022 L15 supports Wi-Fi 6 for faster internet speeds and lower ping. And it also comes with multiple ports should you need it for productivity. So what do you think of this list of gaming laptops for under 50,000 pesos? Do you think we missed out on some? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you're in the market for a gaming laptop, we hope this video helps. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok for more tech news. You may also visit our website, gigatech.com. And once again, this has been VJ of GIGATECH. Thanks for watching.